Hello and welcome to Mastering Microsoft Excel video series. This is video number 35 where we're going to talk about the forecasting formula growth. Without much ado, let's get into the Excel and let's start exploring about this formula. Alright, so we are now in video 35. In video 34, I've already shared about the basics of forecasting. But in video 34, we took the linearly behaving numbers. Now, in this video, we are going to take exponentially behaving numbers. So when your numbers are it was behaving normally, suddenly you got a hike and the raise is continuously moving ahead, and you want to know if this raise is continuing, what's going to be the increasing numbers for the next 3 quarters. If the numbers are suddenly going down and you want to know how long, what will be the downgoing numbers for the upcoming 3 quarters. So in case if you want to predict those kind of numbers, absolutely you should go for the formula growth, which is exponential predicting method. All right, so let's get into the Excel and let's see how do we use this formula without much ado. Okay, so this is the file we're going to use for the understanding of growth formula. So let's go ahead and see how the growth formula will help us to get the future numbers. But first of all, is it exponentially moving numbers? So let's go ahead and select this data and bring it to the chart. So you can see here, when I zoom it for you guys, you can see here in the first 3 months there was not much, it was just gradually growing, and but after the 3rd month there was a huge spike started to happen. So I could see there's a pretty good spike. All I want to know is if the spike continues, what will be my numbers for the next 2 months. So I want to predict that. Okay, now again, growth is array formula. If you have 365 version, you don't have to worry about the dollar symbols or the Ctrl Shift Enter. But if you do not have 365, you need to press Ctrl Shift and Enter to make this formula to work for you. Okay, so let's go ahead and write this formula, and the data set is also arranged in the way I gave a series column for the time series, and this is going to act as a X for me and this is going to act as a Y. All right, so let's go and write the growth formula, and when I say here's it returns numbers in exponential trend matching known data points. All right, so there's an exponential spike we could see here. All right, so growth and the known y's here is these numbers. I'm going to select them, comma, the known x is the known time periods. So I'm going to select these, comma, the new x's, which you can see, which you saw last time in the trend as well, the new x's, comma, again, it's asking what I'm calculating. Would you like to calculate the b, the constant part, normally, or I want to set it as 1. I'm going to set it normally. So we're going to close the braces, hit the enter, and that's our future numbers. So it says as if you go in this trend in July, you can expect around 12,780 units almost. Yeah, or the new users you can expect. So that's the exponential growth which we're expecting in the next 2 months. All right, so that is how you will use the growth function for exponentially behaving numbers. Okay, so with this we have come to the end of learning the time series forecasting formulas. The 3 formulas we have seen in video number 34 and 35 is forecast.linear and the trend, which is basically for linearly behaving numbers. And the last one in this video number 35 was growth, which is basically for exponentially behaving numbers. So these are the 3 commonly used formulas for time series forecasting strategy. In the upcoming video, we will talk about regression based predictions. Until then, take care of yourself. Signing off, Hariharan.